Hi kids, welcome to Happy Artsy Kids. Today we are going to draw Easter eggs. Are you ready? Let's start. So I'm going to draw a total of 3 eggs. Let's draw the one in the middle first. Just make like a letter U like that. And then connect them with the curved line. And then I'm going to draw another one over here. I will do the same. Letter U upside down and close them with the curved line. And another one over here. Letter U upside down. Looks like this one is going to overlap behind this egg. So close it like that. There you go, you have your 3 eggs. And let's decorate them. For this one, I'm going to just decorate this with curved lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now for this one, I'm going to decorate this with circles. Circle, and circle, another circle here, circle, like that. Great. Now for the last one, the last egg, I'm going to decorate this with just wavy line like that. Like that. Like that. And like that. Great. And I'm going to add dot, 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 dot. Just simple dot, dot. And last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Now I'm going to draw the grass. Just a simple zigzag line. This up, down, up, down. They don't have to be the same size. Up, down, and up, down. And then this one over here. Up, down, up, down, up, down. There you go. All done. Now let's color. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.